Hey guys, good morning. I hope you're enjoying the view.
Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time just getting ready?
So we are in this place in Hoorn. It's called Dwaal Park. Since it's JP's day off, we wanted to, you know, just take a nice walk somewhere where there's not a lot of people. Since this is not a popular park. Huh? Oh yeah? JP always have something to say about the places that I picked. He says this is where the dogs are made free to run. So it's just poop everywhere. See how he just ruined the moment with his comment. Can you imagine that, guys? What is it?
Scheidpark.
Yeah. Where should we go, Papa?
Een beetje bij het zonnetje is, hè?
Hey guys, so this is Dwaal Park. Spring is almost here, so you can really feel those birds, colorful birds coming out right there. I wish I could zoom it in. You can pop, but they're probably gonna fly away if we take a photo or video. But yeah, spring is almost coming. All the colors are about to come out. It's a new day. It's a new year. Huh? It's 63 guys, so I have to find a spot where my face and his face can be seen. So we're almost back in the entrance, guys. Jens would have loved it here, so maybe we're probably gonna come back one of these days. But JP has a thing for dogs and poop, so he doesn't want Jens to be running around here. I don't mind. It's beautiful. Don't you think so, Papa?
Ja, het is wel lekker.
I actually find it very relaxing because there's only a few people around, just people with their dogs, and that's it. And us, Papa.
En ons.
So we're just gonna find a spot, guys, where we can sit down and eat our snacks, because I brought with me some healthy snacks and some not so healthy snacks as well to combine. We've been very good the past week with our eating habits, although yeah, we eat once in a while something sweet and something to go with the coffee, but not so much as before, where yeah, every chance I get or we get, there's always something we want to eat. So yeah, it's a great experience. So I asked JP, guys, if we were lost but he said just look at the sun, it's on the right side, so we are on the right track. You can easily get lost, huh? Because it seems like it's the same thing everywhere, but then there's a train track, so I think we're okay. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. We will see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!
Thank you for watching, guys.